Hi, I'm Lisa Gorman with 360 Neuromuscular Therapy, and I thought I would do a little quadriceps foam rolling demonstration today. Foam rolling, important items to keep in mind, keeping your spine and body safe. So pretty much you're doing an ab workout the entire time you're ever foam rolling. So that's always the most important number one thing. And then also be very thorough. So I'm going to do a demo, so it's going to be very quick and short. If you ever find anything kind of tender, just hang out on it for a little bit, and until it kind of calms down. And never spend a ton of time because you don't want to overdo it ever. Quadriceps, there's 4 muscles, right? So first, let's start with lateral vastus lateralis. It's on the outside of your thigh. People tend to forget this is part of our quadriceps. Very easy. So it's basically a side plank. A lot of my weight can be in this leg and in my arm. And roll. Just like that. You want to make sure that you're getting all the way up to the bone, to your greater trochanter of your femur, and you're getting all the way to your knee. So you just kind of have to reposition yourself a little bit here and there to make sure that you're getting the whole length. To get more of the posterior aspect, you want to just rotate your toes up towards the ceiling so you're doing a little internal rotation of the femur. To get the more anterior or the front part, you want to just kind of rotate your toes down towards the floor a little bit, and you'll get more of that anterior aspect of vastus lateralis. All right, so that is that quadricep. The rest we can all do from the same position. So now we're doing more of a front plank, and you can keep this leg is what's doing more of our stability. And then again, nice strong abs, and you're just gonna foam roll. So you're gonna make sure you roll all the way up to your ilium, and again, all the way to the knee. So we also wanna get more of the lateral aspect. So rotating our toe towards the leg that's down and supporting us, and rolling there that way. Again, making sure we're getting the whole length of the muscles, and rotating our toes away from the leg that's down. That will get vastus medialis, and sometimes a little bit of adductor, which is not a bad thing. And you just gotta make sure you're thorough again, all the way up, all the way down to your knee. So that's foam rolling your quadriceps. You can always ask questions of your therapist at 360. More than happy to help you, and hopefully you'll be able to review this video whenever you forget stuff, and happy rolling.